Welcome, now I got Motorola Moto G60S and now I'll show you how to activate Quick Launch on this device. So firstly open your settings and go into System, this one. Then click to Advanced, here need click Gangsters. And then click Quickly Open Camera. This phone gets only one Quick Launch option, so it's open camera, and activate this option, and now when we quickly press the power button twice, camera is open. So let's try, and now camera is open. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.